Summer is the time when we eat a lot of creamy and cool things. But today, let's learn a popsicle recipe in which we will not at all use milk or cream. Hi everyone, this is Shraddha and welcome to Ambika Shetty's kitchen. So firstly in a bowl, take half cup of almonds and add enough water. So soak this for about 4 to 5 hours. Now, here we have the soaked and peeled almonds. Take them in a grinding jar with about 250 ml of water. Now grind this fine. So this is the almond paste. Take a muslin cloth above a sieve over a bowl and filter and squeeze the milk. So just stir it so that the solid part remains in the cloth and that the liquid part gets drained into the vessel below. Squeeze it. Now our almond milk is ready. So take it on flame and add 3 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. Add about 1/4 cup of grated fresh coconut. Stir this well. You can adjust the quantity of sugar as per your taste preference. Here we have added 3 tablespoons, very little, but you can increase it in case you are a sweet lover. Boil this on low flame for about 5 minutes. So keep boiling it on low flame and do not boil it for more longer time. Now let this cool completely and then transfer it to popsicle molds. See how simple it is. We have used only 3 ingredients to make this popsicle and the preparation time is also less except for the time taken to soak the almonds. If you want, you can pour these into kulfi molds if the popsicle mold is unavailable. Now close it with a lid. Now set it in freezer for about 6 to 7 hours. Now here we have taken warm temperature water in a large mixing bowl and dip the popsicle mold in water for about 1 minute. This will help us to remove the popsicle easily. Unmold it gently. Now beat the heat in a style my mother's way with almond coconut popsicle. As said before, you can increase the amount of sugar added in case you're a sweet lover. So I hope you have liked this recipe and we'll be back with yet another interesting recipe. And until then, take care. Bye.